Viewers, welcome back to the final and the fourth part of a new series for December. Here we are going to talk in detail about how the evolving trends in the international market with respect to technology is going to impact your businesses. Let's go to the session now. Both BMW and Audi pulled out of Formula E. Now, they had been investing a lot on Formula E, and one of the reasons they have said that they are pulling out is they want to catch up with Tesla and Volkswagen in delivering and making their own EV for commercial and public use. So we are seeing that slowly one of the very important trends that's developing across the world. I think people are moving away from internal combustion engines using fossil fuels and slowly moving to electric vehicles, because the cost of producing electricity is also falling down because of using solar panels. And I think that's the way people want to see a much lesser pollution from fossil fuels and noise and suspended particles. The other big positive that we are seeing from an Indian perspective is the October industrial growth was at an 8-month peak of 3.6%. And predominantly there have been two major contributors: consumer goods, which has taken up nearly 17.6% growth. I don't know whether it has got any relationship with husbands having to work from home and maybe loaded with a little bit of domestic chores. And then we also saw that electricity growth was at 12.2%. So these are two major good indicators of that. The growth in electricity production by 12.2% I would rate is a very important sign that the economy is coming off the blocks. And the Mumbai November 20 sale of home was at a 9-year high, and this is almost 67% year-on-year growth. Now there's something to feel happy about, but also not something to be completely elated, because I believe this growth has come because there has been a reduction in registration fees announced by the government from 5% to 2% till December 31st, 2020. And it will be 3% between January 1 to March 31. So Indians generally have a habit of getting a wind of what the government wants to do, and therefore they kind of postpone all this registration. But nevertheless, it is just not that all the registrations that happened was kind of a consolidation and postponed registrations that were happening. Obviously, because the prices are low, there has been a lot of new demand also coming up, because the interest rates are at historical lows, and once again there is an aspiration people in Indian context always want to hold real estate for their home. Diesel sales have been down, whereas petrol and diesel and aviation turbine fuel consumption has been down, whereas petrol has been higher in India, which means that the private vehicle use of fuel has increased, whereas the aviation turbine fuel, once again the air services are not fully up. And similarly, the commercial vehicle usage, which is the trucks, are still not plying the roads as much. There are just a few observations which are of very important significance to us with respect to how the future world trends are going. So we are able to very clearly see that some of the trends that are happening are going to have a big impact on the business. So one of the big trends that is happening is slowly we are getting a higher bandwidth at a lower cost. The internet bandwidth is available, higher bandwidth is available at a lower cost. The cost of production of power is coming down. We had a bid recently coming in from one of the solar power plants, where they had bid at 2 rupees per unit. So the cost of power production is coming down. The third one is 24/7 working patterns is beginning to change the way the world is transacting business. We will come shortly about how it's going to impact our normal business. The third one is there is a hesitation of fixed timing from the youngsters. The millennials don't like to conform themselves to fixed working, both with respect to their routine job or even with respect to consumption or going to a shop or a mall or a restaurant. That's also having an impact on the business. Then customized apps are beginning to change the business. Now we are seeing that Apple is a single brand product, but it's having its own app for sales. Similarly, there is a large oil company called Kalishwari, which produces Gold Winner brand of oil. They have launched their own app just for their single product, which is oils produced by them. Now customized apps are once again beginning to penetrate where the retail was offering everything on one platform, but this is also a changing business trend. Online payment has changed the way we are beginning to do business. Drones and satellite has almost become like a small scale industries, and therefore you are going to have a lot more businesses which are going to use drones and satellite for its businesses. Maybe logistic is one business which will really take it up. 3D printing is beginning to change, as we saw in the last episode, and then we also are going to see how artificial intelligence and electric and autonomous vehicles are going to change the pace of the business. In the coming years, it is expected the above few technologies and the change in trends are going to play a significant impact in the businesses. Now, there are a few businesses which are permanently changed, like for example entertainment. We see that entertainment has changed not only because of availability of OTT platforms, but also because of higher bandwidth and a hesitation to a fixed timing business. Now, what was happening in entertainment industry? You always had to go out and watch the show at the timings announced by the theaters. The younger generations didn't like it. The OTT platform not only gives you a choice of a large amount of content, it also allows you to watch those entertainment movies or dramas or serials at the time of your convenience. So we are seeing that the world is not working to fixed schedules. You're not going to office, you're working from home, and then you're working across time zones. Your work time is more in sync with your customers' time zones, and therefore a fixed timing theater timings for movies or entertainment is not going to be anymore on the consumption priority for people. So the OTTs kind of liberate you from the fixed timing, and that is one of the reasons perhaps why OTTs have really taken off, and therefore we can see this technology has completely changed this industry. The second industry which has really changed due to this evolving trend is the retail trend. So once again you are seeing that people don't like to come and shop at the timing that you announce. Suppose you're going to have a shop which says that from 9 to 5 you'll be open. No one wants to come to your shop. They want to shop when they have the time. And therefore the retail has changed because of use of artificial intelligence. It has changed because of apps. It has also changed because of resistance to fixed timing business. The 24/7 working patterns also has brought in a lot of change to both your consumption pattern. So people are ordering and consuming goods and services at the time that they prefer. So this is something that people in retail trade will have to be aware, because these changing trends are going to impact their business. The media, information and the knowledge sectors have also gone through a major change, because what we have seen is ever since we started the work from home environment, almost the entire education system has gone online. And the same thing is with respect to media. A lot of people who are used to reading newspapers and books in paper have completely shifted to the online media. So this is once again because of specific apps and also because of higher bandwidth availability. On the same lines, we are also going to see a lot of banking and intermediary services on financial segment is completely going to shift to online. We saw this trend happening for quite some time. In fact, the penetration started with online banking, and then now we have come to mobile banking, and we are also almost started using QR as a very effective payment transfer tool. And therefore, once again here, the changing trend with respect to technology is really beginning to help change the business. So which means you're going to see fewer and fewer branches, fewer and fewer ATM, fewer and lesser use of cash, but a wider reach for your banking and financial services. Another industry which is already in transformation and which can have a greater impact because of technology could be logistics, because you're going to see logistics beginning to use satellite, which is they have already started using GPS based tracking. You're also going to see that drones will be beginning to be used for logistics. And there is also a lot of research happening that the trucks could also be battery operated, which means there is going to be a lot of reduced cost of transportation, and especially if it is on an autonomous mode, then even the cost of having a driver is going to come down. So logistics is another major industry which could see huge changes, and maybe on the positive side where they will be able to use technology to track, reduce the cost, and also be more effective. Finally, one of the biggest changes I believe that it can happen, this growing trend can happen, is with respect to water management. Because as we are seeing, the lower and lower cost of producing both wind power and power from solar cells is really going to make desalination a very viable alternative. Because now you're going to see that a lot of the coastal cities may start having a lot more desalination plants because the cost of power has come down drastically. and even the desert countries will be beginning to use desalination plant to maybe create new areas. So there are two things going to happen. The traditional shortage of water, which had become a business for a lot of people, could crumble because water could be available for industrial use just by desalination. And many of the places which have traditionally been deserts because of lack of water could also become suddenly a place where agricultural produce is growing, or industrial complexes can come. Water is not going to be a challenge anymore. So we are seeing that these trends, because of technology, is really changing a lot of businesses. And if you are in any one of these businesses, just take note, be ready for the future. Thank you so much for being part of this NU series. Thank you for encouraging us. Thank you for listening to us. Please continue to give us your inputs. Please press the bell icon, subscribe to our channel, and encourage more participants to start viewing this. And this will help us to come up with much better content for you. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.